Pacific welcomes you to Ninoy Aquino International Airport. We are pleased to announce that we have just landed 25 minutes ahead of our scheduled time of arrival. On behalf of your entire Cebu Pacific team, headed by our flight crew Captain Gwen Consejo and First Officer Mapado, together with your cabin crew, we thank you for making Cebu Pacific a part of your important moment. It was truly a pleasure having you all on board, and we do hope to fly you to more fun in the future. Once again, thank you everyone for flying Cebu Pacific. We wish to inform you that in adherence to physical distancing, guests will deplane by rows after the seatbelt sign is switched off. Please remain seated until your row is called. Once again, for sanitation purposes, please bring your litter as you leave your seat. You may dispose this on the bin that will be provided as you leave the aircraft. We seek your cooperation and ensure that no litter is left behind the aircraft. Mangyari na manatiling nakaupo habang ang numero ng inyong upuan ay tinawag na upang tumayo. Muli po namin pinaalalahanan ang lahat ng panauhin na huwag mag-iwan ng mga bagay na nais ninyong itapon sa loob ng eroplano. Mangyari po lamang na dalhin ang mga ito sa inyong pagbaba. Maraming salamat po.